The next padam is Muddugare. Muddugare Yashoda is a song composed by, again, Padakavita Pitamaha, grand old man of songwriting, Sri Talapaka Annamacharya in the Telugu language. Krishna and Venkateshwara are both incarnations of Lord Vishnu. Though an ardent devotee of Lord Venkateshwara, Annamacharya in this song has envisioned the Lord in the form of Krishna. Mother Yashoda has always been portrayed in the Hindu scriptures as a personification of motherhood. The relationship of Yashoda and Krishna stands as a true example of love in its purest form between a mother and a son. In this padam, Lord Krishna is compared with all the precious gems in the form of Krishna Leelas. Lord Krishna is described as the lovely pearl of Yashoda playing in her front yard as an all-powerful and perfect son of Devaki. The noun prankster is synonymous to Lord Krishna. The interaction between a Gopika and young Lord Krishna is what the padam begins with. Krishna, while playing marbles with his gang of friends, spots a Gopika walking by carrying a pot on her head. A mischievous child that he is, he pulls out his slingshot and breaks the pot. The Gopika, all drenched, is furious with Krishna, at the same time frustrated, and she just lets him go away. Kamsa was Krishna's maternal uncle, an evil king who was told in a prophecy that the 8th child of Devaki would kill him. He feared the prophecy and kills all the children born to Devaki except until the 8th son. Krishna was saved from Kamsa's wrath and exchanged with the divine girl born to Nanda and Yashoda. After Krishna grew up with his foster parents and returned to the kingdom, an epic battle ensues between Kamsa and Krishna in which the wicked king gets killed. He is the emerald or the pacha of the three worlds, radiating light. He is the little Krishna moving around in midst of all of us. He is a coral pagadamu of his beautiful wife Rukmini. He is the little Krishna believed to have lifted the Govardhana hill and taught Indra, the king of Devas and rains, a lesson to protect native people of Vrindavana. He is compared to Gomedika, garnet, as he lifted the Govardhana mountain. He is wearing Vaidhuriam, or the cat's eye, in between his Sanku and Chakra. He is Kamalaksha, the lotus-eyed. He glows like Pushyaragam, topaz, on the heads of Kaliya serpent as he kills him. Kaliya had poisoned the waters of Yamuna river, leading to the death of the cowherds in the village. While Krishna and his friends are playing ball, it accidentally falls in the Yamuna river. Despite warnings from friends that Kaliya resides in the river, Krishna engages himself in a ferocious battle with the serpent and kills him. The devotee then goes on to say that when Krishna takes the form of Lord Venkateshwara, he is like Indraneelam, blue sapphire. He is the divine gem in the ocean of milk. He is the boy who descended as Padmanabha. Sudhaji weaves in another episode of Krishna's playful antics. This episode begins with one of his friends complaining to him about his hunger. Krishna immediately spots a house far away on the mountain. He, along with friends, quietly opens the doors of the house to find the lady of the house enjoying her afternoon siesta. The boys quickly make a human pyramid for Lord Krishna to climb upon to bring down the hanging pot of butter. Krishna offers to his friends, and then after everyone is satiated, he looks to eat the butter. There is none left for him. So he takes a stick and breaks yet another pot of butter and fills his belly. Sudha brings back her choreography to Mother Yashoda and her unconditional love for her son. The last scene depicts Yashoda playing with her child and bundling him in the warmth of her love. After a long day, she is seen putting him to bed. We will have to wait and see if her day has really ended or not. This padam is set to Ragam Kurinji, Talam Adi. Namrata Javaji for Muddugare.
ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముంగిట ముత్యము వీడు దిద్దరాని మహిమల దేవకీ సుతుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముంగిట ముత్యము వీడు దిద్దరాని మహిమల దేవకీ సుతుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముంగిట ముత్యము వీడు దిద్దరాని మహిమల దేవకీ సుతుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముంగిట ముత్యము వీడు దిద్దరాని మహిమల దేవకీ సుతుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద అంతనింత గొల్లే తల అరచేటి మాణిక్యము పంథ మాడే కంసుని పాలి వజ్రము అంతనింత గొల్లే తల అరచేటి మాణిక్యము పంథ మాడే కంసుని పాలి వజ్రము అంతనింత గొల్లే తల అంతనింత గొల్లే తల అరచేటి మాణిక్యము పంథ మాడే కంసుని పంథ మాడే కంసుని పాలి వజ్రము కాంతుల మూడు లోకాల గరుడ పచ్చని పూస కాంతుల మూడు లోకాల గరుడ పచ్చని పూస చింతల మాలోలున్న చిన్ని కృష్ణుడు చింతల మాలోలున్న చిన్ని కృష్ణుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముంగిట ముత్యము వీడు దిద్దరాని మహిమల దేవకీ సుతుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద రతి కేళి రుక్మిణికి రంగు మోవి పగడము రతి కేళి రుక్మిణికి రంగు మోవి పగడము రతి కేళి రుక్మిణికి రతి కేళి రుక్మిణికి రంగు మోవి పగడము రతి కేళి రుక్మిణికి రంగు మోవి పగడము మిది గోవర్ధనపు గోమేదిక శంఖు చక్రాల సందుల వైడూర్యము సదమై శంఖు చక్రాల సందుల వైడూర్యము గదిగై మమ్ము గజే కమలక్షుడు గదిగై మమ్ము గజే కమలక్షుడు గది గతియై మము గచే కమలక్షుడు గౌతుగారే యశోద ముంగిట ముత్యము వీడు దిద్దరాని మహిమల దేవుకి సుతుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద కాళింగుని తలపైన కపిల పుష్యరాగము కాళింగుని తలపైన కపిల పుష్యరాగము కాళింగ కాళింగుని తలపైన గపిన పుష్యరాగము ఏలేటి శ్రీ వెంకటాద్రి ఇంద్రనీలము ఏలేటి శ్రీ వెంకటాద్రి ఇంద్రనీలము పాలజల నిధిలోన పాయని దివ్యరత్నము పాలజల నిధిలోన పాయని దివ్యరత్నము బాలుని మలె తీరిగే పద్మనాభుడు బాలుని మలె తీరిగే పద్మనాభుడు బాలుని ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముంగిట ముత్యము వీడు దిద్దరాని మహిమల దేవకి సుతుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద. Namrata had a doubt if I would sing properly for her dance. Yeah, that's true. In the stage rehearsal, it didn't go that well. So she was continuously instructing Sudha auntie, "Auntie, please tell Neela auntie to sing properly." Did I do a good job, Namrata? More than me, you did a great job. You know what? You were excellent. You fell so much into the song, you came so much into the tune. Very good job. Keep it up.
At the age of 14, to relate to such a deep concept of mother's love and being able to evoke that rasa in all the mothers in the audience, a job very well done. Oh boy, and she looks super cute in that Padam costume. Super cute. The beauty of Krishna Padams is their ability to feature diverse emotions, and she's done a fabulous job depicting all of them. The prowess of Sudhaji's choreography was highlighting the sentiment of motherhood while preserving the literal meaning of the song.